Across the planet, there are places where the story of Earth can still be witnessed. Places where rivers continue to follow ancient paths carved through stone. Where forests preserve memories of climates that existed long before human civilization. Where animals move according to rhythms shaped not by clocks but by millions of years of evolution. These are national parks. They are more than protected landscapes. They are living records of the forces that created our world. Beneath every mountain is a history written in rock. Within every forest is a network of relationships connecting thousands of species. How does nature survive, adapt, and continue through a changing planet? From volcanic landscapes formed deep beneath the Earth's surface to icy kingdoms where glaciers slowly reshape continents. They are not separate worlds. They are chapters in one continuing story, a story that is still unfolding. At first light, Yellowstone appears almost silent, but beneath this ancient landscape, the planet is still moving. Here, water heated deep within the Earth rises toward the surface. It erupts as geysers, flows through colorful hot springs. More than 2 million years ago, a massive volcanic eruption transformed this region, leaving behind the Yellowstone caldera. But Yellowstone's story did not end with destruction. Over time, life returned. Forests spread across cooled volcanic terrain. Among Yellowstone's most important inhabitants are its predators. The gray wolf is one of the park's most studied animals. By affecting where and how prey animals move, wolves influence vegetation, river systems, and the balance between species. Every organism in Yellowstone exists within this larger conversation: the microbes living in hot springs, the insects emerging during short summers. Yellowstone reminds us that nature is not defined by stillness. It survives through movement, through adaptation, through constant transformation. From a land shaped by fire, we move toward a world shaped by ice. In the heart of the Canadian Rockies lies a landscape where mountains reach toward the sky and glaciers preserve the memory of Earth's climate. Valleys became wider, peaks became sharper, and rivers carried minerals into lakes that reflect the clearest colors found in nature. Mountain goats survive on steep cliffs where few predators can follow. Their specialized hooves allow them to move across narrow rock ledges. Bighorn sheep navigate mountain slopes with remarkable balance, and bears travel across enormous territories searching for food. Researchers studying the Canadian Rockies are discovering that these landscapes are changing. Glaciers are retreating, temperatures are rising. For thousands of years, indigenous peoples have lived with these landscapes. The mountains are not empty wilderness, they are places of history. The mountains of Banff reveal a powerful truth. A landscape is never truly finished. The forces that created these peaks continue today. Ice still moves, rivers still carve, life still adapts. And the story of the Rockies continues with every season that passes. Across eastern Africa, there is a landscape where survival follows the rhythm of rain. The Serengeti is a vast ecosystem shaped by movement. Here, life does not remain in one place. It travels, following water, following grass, following ancient patterns that have guided generations of animals across this land. The Serengeti ecosystem covers a vast region. Its seasonal cycles are controlled by rainfall. When the rains arrive, grasslands transform. Among the travelers are wildebeest and zebra. Their migration is one of the largest movements of land animals on Earth. For the wildebeest, survival begins with timing. During the wet season, thousands of calves are born within a short period. This strategy creates a powerful race against danger. Every young animal must quickly learn to stand and run. Nearby, predators follow the migration. Lions move through tall grass, their lives connected to the movement of their prey. Survival here depends on relationships. A lion depends on herbivores. Herbivores depend on rainfall. Everything is connected. Modern research helps explain how ecosystems function. The Serengeti is not frozen in time. It is constantly adapting. From a world of endless movement, we travel toward a landscape where mountains stand like ancient guardians. In southern Chile, Patagonia reveals a landscape built by extremes. Here, mountains rise suddenly from open plains. The famous granite towers were created by geological forces. Glaciers carved away layers, exposing the towering formations visible today. Despite harsh conditions, life thrives. Guanacos move across the open steppe, surviving with limited resources in a demanding environment. The puma, Patagonia's largest predator, moves silently through the valleys. Its survival depends on understanding the landscape. Torres del Paine teaches that beauty is created by resilience. A landscape shaped by storms, ice, and time continues to support life. We move toward a world where water defines the landscape, where mountains disappear beneath the sea. At the southwest corner of New Zealand lies Fiordland, a landscape carved by glaciers and shaped by endless rain. Isolation shaped the evolution of life here. Some birds lost the ability to fly because they evolved without land predators. The kea demonstrates another side of adaptation. Intelligent and curious, it survives in alpine environments where conditions change rapidly. Fiordland is a reminder that isolation creates extraordinary life. Protecting that uniqueness requires understanding it. Every forest, every species, every coastline is part of a much larger story. There are landscapes that appear almost impossible, places where mountains seem to float above the clouds and forests grow from cliffs that have resisted time for millions of years. In central China, Zhangjiajie reveals a world shaped by patience, a world where water, wind, and stone have worked together across geological time to create one of Earth's most distinctive landscapes. But beneath its dramatic appearance lies a deeper story. How does life survive in a world built vertically? Over hundreds of millions of years, layers of sandstone were deposited, compressed, and shaped by erosion. Life here exists in every available space. Mosses cover damp stone surfaces. Plants anchor themselves into narrow cracks. Among Zhangjiajie's most remarkable residents is the golden snub-nosed monkey. Their thick fur provides protection from cold environments, while complex social groups help them navigate the demands of survival. From forests rising into the sky, we descend into a landscape where survival plays out across open plains. Kruger National Park is a vast ecosystem where rivers, forests, and grasslands support an extraordinary diversity of life. The African elephant is one of the great architects of this ecosystem. By feeding on vegetation and creating pathways through forests, elephants physically reshape their surroundings for other species. Kruger's predators represent another side of survival. Lions depend on cooperation, leopards depend on stealth. African wild dogs are among the most social predators on the planet. Their survival depends on cooperation within the pack. From continental wilderness, we travel across the ocean to a world born from fire. Between the islands of Indonesia lies a landscape where ancient evolutionary stories continue. Komodo National Park is a place of extremes. Here, survival has produced one of Earth's most remarkable reptiles, the Komodo dragon. Its size, strength, and hunting ability are the result of millions of years of evolution within an isolated island environment. Below the surface, another world exists. The waters surrounding Komodo contain rich marine ecosystems shaped by powerful currents. Komodo is a reminder that evolution does not create perfection, it creates possibility. Every species is an answer to the challenges of its environment. A living experiment shaped by time. Far from the continents, the Galapagos Islands reveal one of nature's greatest stories. Born from volcanic forces and shaped by isolation, these islands became a place where life followed unexpected paths. The Galapagos became a living demonstration of evolution. Giant tortoises adapted to changing island environments. Marine iguanas developed the ability to feed beneath the ocean surface. Across continents and oceans, national parks reveal one connected truth. Earth is not a collection of separate landscapes, it is one living system. In South America, where Argentina, Brazil, and Paraguay meet, lies Iguazu, a rainforest world where a river becomes one of Earth's greatest waterfalls. The jaguar represents the health of this ecosystem. A predator at the top of the food chain depends on everything below it. On Costa Rica's southern Pacific coast lies Corcovado National Park, a wilderness where rainforest, rivers, and mountains exist as one system. Corcovado supports extraordinary biodiversity. The scarlet macaw spreads seeds across the forest. Wrangell St. Elias, A landscape where mountains rise above the clouds and glaciers continue their slow movement across the Earth. Glaciers may appear motionless, but they are rivers of ice. They move slowly, they reshape valleys, they carve landscapes. The Arctic is a world of extremes. The polar bear represents one of Earth's most specialized adaptations. Its survival depends on sea ice. National parks protect the relationships that allow life to continue. They preserve knowledge, they support ecosystems. The landscapes we have witnessed are chapters of a story written in stone. For billions of years, Earth has continued its journey. The next chapter remains unwritten, but the story continues.